Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix missing keyboard on Android. If the keyboard is missing on your Android phone, may not be able to type in apps, messages, or search fields. This problem is often caused by a disabled keyboard app, a temporary software glitch, or incorrect input settings. Follow these steps to restore your Android keyboard. To begin, restart your Android phone. After restart, open the Settings app, tap System or General Management depending on your device. Select Languages and Input. Tap On-Screen Keyboard or Virtual Keyboard. Make sure your preferred keyboard such as Gboard or your device's default keyboard is enabled. If no keyboard is enabled, turn on the one you want to use. Return to the home screen and open any app with a text field. Tap the text field to check whether the keyboard appears. And if the keyboard is still missing, open the Settings app, Apps, All Apps, and select your keyboard app. Tap Force Stop, then reopen the text field to restart the keyboard. If necessary, update the keyboard app from the Google Play Store if there is any available update. Restart your phone again after installing any updates. If the keyboard still doesn't appear, clear the keyboard's apps cache and reinstall it, then test it again. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.